Namaste friends, I am Hemant Thakur, your diamond expert from All Your Jewels. In today's very important video, I am going to talk about how to buy solitaire diamonds, better diamonds at lesser value. So today I went to a manufacturer and I compared two different diamonds. As you can see here, I have these two diamonds. One diamond is weighing 1 carat 31 cent and the other diamond is 1 carat 51 cent. Both are of eye color, VVS2 and VS1 clarity. But if you see closely, this 1 carat 51 cent, which is bigger in size, weight wise diamond, only has a diameter of 8.30 in length. Okay, and here you see weight wise the diamond which is smaller has a length of 8.57, and you can see the diamond on my hand. You see this diamond, they both look same face up. Okay, whereas this diamond is lesser in weight wise and this one is a bigger in weight wise. It is like you are buying a potato, which is one potato is weighing 100 grams and the other is weighing 50 grams, but both of them look bigger face up because of the structure of the potato. So same way here we found two diamonds which has different weight value, but they both look similar face up. Okay, so now let's see the price difference between both. So this diamond, the 1 carat 31 cent diamond, comes for 3,34,000 rupees, and the 1 carat 51 cent diamond comes for 4 lakh rupee, or which is like $6,156 compared to $5,138. So that is a good saving of like 20% or $1,000 US. So same looking diamond, but you save 20%, right? So these simple techniques will allow you to save enough without compromising on the quality. So an expert like us will be able to guide you to select these type of diamonds. As a consumer, you won't be able to understand these fine technical aspects of it, which is what we do for our consumers so that they don't make mistakes. We are based in Bharat Diamond Boards, which supplies 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world. So we go to these manufacturers. Once a consumer sends their request to us, we handpick every diamond so that a consumer gets the best in the quality, and we send them the estimation. You can compare this estimation with your local jeweler or with any online jeweler. My guarantee is that our estimations will be much better in quality and value. Once you agree to it, excuse me, then you can place the order. We will buy these diamonds, set it into a piece of jewelry like any ring, earring, pendant, and offer you customization, selecting color of gold or finish of metal. All these diamonds are accompanied by certificate from reputed laboratories like GIA, IGI, HRD. We are members of Jameson Jewelry Export Promotion Council and have affiliations in New York, Hong Kong, Dubai, Belgium, Israel, London, so that you get an idea that you are buying from the right place. We offer complimentary service like doorstep delivery, engraving your personal message on the jewelry, 1 year maintenance, and a yoga journal subscription. So many more extensive service at no additional cost, only possible through All Your Jewels. So if that interests you, then we are looking forward to your request. If you have any further query about diamonds and jewelry, then you can write us on jewels@allyours.in, or you can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and keep in touch with us. Thank you.